You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation: a plant name, a genus of aromatic, flowering, herbaceous, perennial plants. If you want to learn more plant names that are confusing, stay tuned. Two different pronunciations: Agastache, that's the more Latin way of pronouncing it, Agastache, the more scientific way. Now the English pronunciation is how to pronounce Agastache, Agastache, or Agastache, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.